Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a quick and flavorful dish, today we are making an easy delicious kebab recipe. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe button. Let's get started. Start by heating half cup of oil in a pan. Once heated, add 12 frozen seekh kebab cut into halves along with 4 to 5 green chilies. Fry them on medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. Next, add 5 blended tomatoes. Give everything a good mix. Cover the pan and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, stir and add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well and cover the pan and cook it for another 2 minutes. Once done, stir it well, then add 1 cup of yogurt. Mixing thoroughly to blend in all the flavors, cover the pan and cook until the oil separates. Once separated, sprinkle in half teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of kasuri methi. Cover the pan and set it aside. Fry 1 medium-sized onion and add this fried onion to the main pan. Mix everything well, cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. And there you have it. A quick and delicious dish is ready to be served, perfect for no fuss meal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes. Happy cooking.